Hello and welcome to SkillWeb. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make a table in Google Docs. So let's get started the video. At first, open your Google Doc document. Now from the top menu, click on Insert. Then click on Table. A grid will appear where you can choose the number of rows and columns you want. Simply click and drag to select the size of the table. Click on it. Once the table is inserted, you can start typing in the cells. You can also adjust the size of the rows and columns by dragging the lines. To add or remove rows and columns, right-click on a cell and click on Insert Row above or column to the left or right. You can also delete the row by clicking Delete. So, there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.